and you forever. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Stella. I am going to show you today what is my haul that I did in a previous video. I showed you how I did some yarn shopping online, so today I am going to show you what I have inside. And also there was another day that there was a huge discount. I did another purchase, so if last time you remember, I did one order at LoveCrafts and one order at Ice Yarns. Okay, these things have come here for some time now, but I haven't opened them yet. I did want to film the whole first impression when you open the yarn, so I did want to film that, and I'm really curious. You have no idea how long I have waited for this. So I had some space for new yarn, as you can see, but probably some of you are like me. You have to kind of hide a little bit your yarn somewhere. If you are new around here, I would love for you to subscribe to this channel for a lot of content like this and a lot of patterns that I do. And of course, follow me on my other social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, so just follow me over there. So I'm going to show you my plans as well in a upcoming video for all this yarn that I ordered over here. So bear with me. Scissors on. So let's start. Oh, okay, so yeah, so this is the yarn that I bought. Simply Chunky. Yeah, I'm 100% acrylic. Okay, I will leave for you also the color of this one. I think it's vanilla cream. It's not very thick, I think. As I said, I have for all these yarns, I have plans. So I'm going to show you one by one what are my plans in a upcoming video. We will see. So stay tuned for that. Again, another Simply Chunky. I got this one. Well, it's not written here the color, the name of the color. Okay, got this in this greenish. I don't know how the camera is picking this up, but it's like this. Okay, so I got 10 skeins of this one. I know that maybe there might be some projects that maybe they will need more than 10 skeins, but it's easy because LoveCrafts can ship to Germany for up to 3 to 5 days. So if I am out for 1 or 2 skeins or 5 skeins, I can just order very quickly. But I think I have the main yarn for a middle project. Oh, me and you forever. This is the pistachio color that I love. I did have some previous, I think I have bought previously 5 skeins of yarn in pistachio, and I loved it. That's why I knew that I had to have this color and I had to have this yarn. There it is. On with the next one. This is Simply Aran. It's thinner than the Simply Chunky one. So 100 grams, 1 skein, and 136 meters long. Okay, so this green here, it's Simply Aran, and for that the measurements are 100 grams, 184 meters long. So this is thinner than the Simply Chunky one. Okay, let me show you the color. Oh, look at this one. Yeah, I think this one will go very well with my skin tone. I think I'm a little bit green undertone, but the blue also goes well, I think. On to the next one. So this one is the one that I bought when I had this huge discount. I think it was like 40%. So the other ones I got it to a 30% discount, and this one there was a huge 40% of discount. Okay, I had a plan for 2 yarns of them, so the rest is just to try it out. you know, there is never enough yarn. So I got this Simply Aran again, because I have plans for this baby too. And this one is in this kind of, I don't know, it's picking, the camera is picking up like white, but it's kind of like, I don't know, I will put it for you up here, next here, somewhere, the color, okay. Yeah, this is simply Aran, so it's a little bit thinner. Okay, so I got 10 skeins of this baby here, and I got the same simply Aran, but I got in black because I have plans for, you know, these two colors. Yeah, okay, so it's the same. Let me open up, but in black. Okay, so the next one, it was simply Aran again, but it was in vanilla, which I have in Simply Chunky, but I do want to have a vanilla sweater, I think. We will see. So I love this color. I love this color, and it had to be on my winter palette, so I had to buy it in a thinner yarn too. I will let you know what are my plans for that in a future video. Okay, so yeah, here it is. Oh, I love this color. I have a beautiful jacket. How do you call that jacket? It's a tweed jacket in greens and all these beautiful autumn colors, and I do want something in this color too, because autumn, winter, you know. Oh, this color is perfect. I love it. Look how beautiful this is. So this was the PaintBox yarns, the orders that I got from LoveCrafts. Now let's move on to this big baby over here. Ice Yarns. Okay. Oh, of course, I will link all what I bought. I will link all of them, all the links in the description box. One out. I have another one. First, let's divide them. Okay, so let's start with ice yarns. So I did an order with one yarn in two colors and one yarn in one color. I love this one. And this one is wool. I think it's a 50% wool and 50% acrylic. Oh, look at this one. I don't know if the camera is picking this color. It's like forest green. I really don't know how to explain this green. Look at this one. Amazing. I don't know if you can see. This is a perfect yarn. I'm gonna do something with this one. I do have some ideas. And of course, this kind of color, it's so nice for the winter. I got 3 packs because you never have enough. Better to have a little bit more rather than to have less, you know. And they were all in this huge discount as well, so I did not want to risk for the future. The next one is the same yarn, 50% wool and 50% acrylic as the green one, but this one is in like a vintage pink, blush pink. I don't know how to explain. I will put something for you here on the screen. Look at this one. Okay, it doesn't look that nice because it was poor yarn. It was all compressed, but look at this one. Isn't this beautiful? This color is perfect. Oh my god, it's beautiful, I think. From this color I did just took 2 packs because I think the project that I have in mind, you know, it's kind of enough. Oh, this one just stayed on my shopping cart for so long, and I just couldn't leave it. I had to get it, and you know, this is kind of luxury yarn for me because I usually use like cottons and acrylics. I'm kind of dipping a little bit my fingers on luxury yarns, but they are kind of mixed with other fibers as well. As you saw, the previous one was 50% wool but also 50% acrylic, so yeah, I don't want to just jump into mohair or silk or that kind of yarn without really knowing the yarn. So slowly I'm getting there. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Oh, this is so soft, and also it has kind of shine. So this one is, let me see, 20% kid mohair, 24% merino wool, 15% viscose, and 41% polyamide. Oh, I've never actually worked with this kind of yarn, really never. This is the most luxury that I had until now. But okay, I can get used to this yarn. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think and what are your tips for a luxury yarn? It is, I think, quite thin. Maybe I will mix it with something else, but I don't know if the camera can pick this up. There is also a shine to it. I don't know. I don't think the camera can pick it. Here. It's like a gold. It's, you know, like beige and gold, and it's perfect combination. And I also got 3 packs. This one was on sale too, and I don't know how long it will last, so I don't want to have problems later on and I run out of it. So I got 3 packs of this one, and I guess that was it. So let me show you a full view of what I got. Okay, you guys, you can see the full haul over here. You can kind of see also kind of what is my color palette for this autumn winter. I guess I'm a lot into these neutral colors, a little bit in blue, not that much, but I just wanted to dip my finger there. And of course on the greens, I am a lot in greens as well. So yeah, that one is green, but I don't know why camera is picking it up as, you know, is green. And I did one, and this one, the blush pink, and yeah, and this one also. Okay, so yeah, this is all I got. I am so excited, I am so happy. I never thought that yarn would make me so happy. I will just show you very quickly how did I organize it all and how did I hide it. Okay, you guys, apologies for the lighting, but this is my closet. So these are my dresses up here. So this was the only place that I found I could put all together, because I do want to have all one kind of yarn, like the PaintBox yarn. I do want to have it all in one place, so it's easier for me to grab and to know what is, you know, the whole situation that I have here. I can't leave it outside because I don't like to have yarn displayed all over my house. So I'm gonna show you the rest is the ice yarn. Ice yarns, I had some space in this box, so I'm gonna put one of them here. And on it went. Let's just close this one. I can't really fully close it, but I'm gonna put on top of it the other box, so there is enough pressure, so I don't need to actually seal. Okay, right here in the corner. So this one is like, you know, there was space, so it's like didn't exist. Okay, so this is as far as I got. So in here where I had the second box, I just put on top of it these 2. I mean, you know, that doesn't mean that I have to hide everything. Yeah, so I just put those on top here, and one here is like never existed, that one that is underneath. And you know, as I told you, I put another big part here. I don't know how many of you put their yarn stash in the wardrobe. This is me for the moment because I don't have a place, but yeah, I think probably in the future I will have a proper place for my yarn. So I really hope you enjoyed this yarn haul unboxing, and also how did I kind of hidden my yarn. I mean, I don't have to hide my yarn, but you know, sometimes you just have to put them in the right place, yeah? So, and sometimes the right place is far away from the eyes of other members of your family. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I would really love to have you as a subscriber, and if you are already an old subscriber, thank you so much for following me. And also don't forget to watch this video until the end. It really helps out a lot, and give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of content, and I will see you on my next one. Cheers!